The Galaxy S25 Edge has been making waves even before its official launch, and a new video showing a dummy unit of the device has just surfaced online. While it's not the real phone, this plastic model gives us a clear look at the sharp and sleek design Samsung has been teasing for months. If you've been following the Galaxy S25 Edge, you already know it's no secret when it comes to looks. Samsung has displayed the device multiple times, including at their MWC 2025 booth. Although visitors weren't allowed to touch it, they could still admire its slim and elegant profile. Now, thanks to this new video, we get to see it in even more detail. Let's talk about the timing because the Galaxy S25 Edge launch is just around the corner. Earlier this month, we exclusively confirmed that Samsung plans to unveil the phone on May 13. That's less than a month away, so excitement is definitely building. To add to that, a recent report has confirmed that the device will hit shelves in South Korea on May 23, with the US launch following shortly after on May 30. One of the biggest selling points of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its ultra-thin body. Rumors suggest it measures just 5.84 millimeters in thickness, which is incredibly slim, especially when compared to many of today's bulky smartphones. This slim profile is like a breath of fresh air for anyone tired of chunky phones. But there's a trade-off. To achieve this thinness, Samsung reportedly had to drop the zoom camera that was present in previous models. Looking closely at the dummy unit shown in the video, you'll notice the dual camera setup on the back. The primary sensor is rumored to be a massive 200 megapixel shooter, which promises some seriously high-resolution photos. Alongside it, there will be an ultra-wide sensor, likely either 12 megapixels or possibly 50 megapixels, depending on the final specs Samsung decides on. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to pack Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same powerful processor found in all Galaxy S25 models. This should ensure smooth performance, fast processing, and efficient power management. The display size is also impressive, featuring a 6.7-inch screen with a 1440p resolution, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. As of now, Samsung has only confirmed availability in South Korea and the United States. However, considering the uniqueness and appeal of this device, it's likely the company will expand sales to other regions soon. Samsung's flagship phones usually have a global reach, so fans around the world will probably get a chance to experience the Galaxy S25 Edge. To sum it up, the Galaxy S25 Edge looks poised to impress with its sleek design, powerful camera setup, and top-tier specs. The fact that it manages to be so thin without compromising too much on features makes it stand out in a crowded market. Even though the video only shows a dummy model, it's clear Samsung is confident in the phone's design and wants to build hype leading up to the official launch. If you're eager to get your hands on the Galaxy S25 Edge, mark your calendar for May 13 when Samsung will officially unveil it. Then, keep an eye out for the release dates in South Korea on May 23 and the US on May 30. It's an exciting time for Samsung fans and smartphone enthusiasts who are looking for a device that combines style and performance in a sleek package. We'll keep watching closely as more information comes out and share all the latest updates. Until then, this dummy video gives us a great glimpse of what to expect, a beautifully crafted, razor-thin phone that could set new standards for flagship smartphones. So what do you think about the Galaxy S25 Edge? Are you excited to see Samsung focusing on such a slim design? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech and upcoming smartphone launches. Thanks for watching.